Morning everyone, we're back at PowerTune and yeah, today we're gonna fire it up, I think. So right now I'm just gonna, I know it's filthy, but I'm just gonna fill her up with oil, the old dry sump tank, chuck some water in, make sure she's not leaking. Now I've got to get fuel, I forgot to get it. God. So got to get some 98 for it. Then yeah, ads will make a gearbox mount. Got to make a bit of a panel for above the G-force, and yeah, not heaps of work to do, but it's all time consuming. So let's get some oil in it. So I just chucked a heap of oil in there. I'm using this Royal Purple engine braking oil. I used it last time. It's really good stuff. It's 10W30 if you guys want to know. It is a genuinely good oil to use to brake the engine in. Now just got to fill it with water, get ads to make this cross member here. I don't know, the old one used to go off these bolts here. I think we'll go off these too. I'm not too sure, I'll let him work that out. Then bolt the tail shaft up and put the exhaust on, kick in the guts. Exciting. Can't wait, it's going to be good. And then yeah, I've got to jack it up too. So I'm going to wind the coil, the springs up as high as I can. And we're going to try and fit it on the roller dyno next door. We're going to try. Oh! Trying to get a good shot and I just kick everything out of the way. Oh yeah, it's pretty noisy here today because they're building the office upstairs. If you guys didn't know, PowerTune's moved and yeah, everything's changing up. There's Ved. Hey Ved. So anyway, tail shaft's in. All fits good. Oh Pete, what are you doing? Ads is here. Ads is busy making the gearbox mount now. And yeah, then we'll be ready to fire it up. Of course, I've made it really hard for him as well. Sorry, Ads. Yeah, not long now. Never ends. You've missed so much. hell. Yeah. What's the time? Yeah, 10:40. Yeah. Thanks, boys. Thanks, Cheer. Thanks, Abdul. Thanks, Peter. I know you're hiding. Oh man, what a day. That was freaking insane. So as you can see, there was a massive amount of things going on today. I'll show you this tomorrow when it's outside, but we're going home now. Thanks, Pete. Thanks, Abdul. Thanks, Chair. Making dreams reality, eh? All right, guys. See ya.